你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Crazy Grammar, the fun way to learn Chinese grammar. Today, we're going to talk about how to express frequency in Chinese. 每 third tone means every or each. We have talked about using 每 to express everything before. In this lesson, we will talk about using 每 to express things that happen regularly during a certain period of time. The structure is 每 plus numeral plus measure word plus time word plus verb plus frequency. For example, 我每2个月去一次上海。I go to Shanghai every 2 months. 小美，今天是星期五，下班我们去喝一杯怎么样？小美 ，It's Friday today. How about we go have a drink after work? 不行，我要写报告，每3个月要做一次工作总结。I can't. I need to write my report. I need to do a work summary every 3 months.Today is the last day, so I need to finish it. 医生，这个药我应该吃多少？ Doctor, how much should I take of this medicine? 我看看，每4个小时吃一次。Let me see. Take it once every 4 hours. Note that some time words such as nián, year, and tiān, day, can be used as measure words. These time words can be used directly after the numeral. For example, 每3年去一次美国。Go to the US once every 3 years. 每2天上一次课。Have a lesson every 2 days. 您好，我想学瑜伽。请问你们的瑜伽班什么时候上课？ Hello, I want to learn yoga. May I ask when you will be holding yoga lessons? 我们每2天有一次瑜伽课。今天晚上有瑜伽课，您可以试试。We have yoga lessons once every 2 days. We have a lesson tonight if you would like to try.好，谢谢。Okay, thanks. If the numeral after 每 is 1, the numeral 一 could be omitted. For example, 每个小时 every hour, 每天 every day, 每年 every year. 丽丽，你怎么也在机场？丽丽How come you're also at the airport? 小美，我去上海看我妈妈，你呢？小美 I'm going to Shanghai to see my mom. How about you? 我也去上海，我有个重要的客户在那边，每年要去2次。I'm going to Shanghai too. I have a very important client there. I have to go there twice a year.When expressing things that happen regularly during a certain period of time, we use 每 plus numeral plus measure word plus time word plus verb plus frequency. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me how to say take this medicine 2 times a day in Chinese.Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。Jenny， 你最近瘦了。我在减肥，每个星期去3次健身房。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Jenny goes to gym every day. Jenny goes to gym every Wednesday. Jenny goes to gym 3 times a week. Please choose the best answer. 小姐，这间房子怎么样？房租多少钱？1个月2000块，每3个月付一次。好的。What can be inferred from the dialogue? A tenant needs to pay 2,000 yuan for 3 months. The lady thinks that the rent is too high. A tenant should pay the rent every 3 months. Please choose the best answer. 小美，这是价目表，你需要每半年更新一次，知道吗？好的，经理。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? 小美 needs to update the price list every half year. 小美 needs to update the price list every year. 小美 needs to update the price list in half a year. Please choose the best answer. 小美，你还在咳嗽。医生说你应该每4个小时吃一次药。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? 小美's doctor told her not to take medicine anymore. 小美's doctor told her to take 4 pills every day. 小美's doctor told her to take the medicine once every 4 hours. Please choose the best answer. 真漂亮 ，Jenny， 你喜欢书法？对啊，我每2天上一次书法课，这是我的作业。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Jenny will go to a calligraphy class tomorrow. Jenny has a calligraphy lesson every 2 days. Jenny has a calligraphy lesson every day. Please choose the best answer.